Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in our neural network series. In the last video, we made a layer class that would basically hold all our parameter values, all our weights and our biases. And in this video, we will dive into actually making our neural network architecture. We will essentially make a class that will help us handle this architecture, and the class will hold all the layer objects that contain the parameters. We will then need a constructor, and this constructor will have two arguments, namely input dim and output dim. So essentially, how many inputs does our neural network have and how many outputs does it have? And in our case, we have one input and one output. The next step is going to be to initialize our layers. We will have a total of 4 layers to initialize, 3 hidden layers, as well as our output layer. These layers will take the arguments of neurons in and neurons out as we structured it last time. And so the first layer, will be input dimensions, comma, and I'll put 48, but you can put any arbitrary number of neurons. So feel free to play around with this number as you like. For the rest, I will put 48, 48 as well. So 48 neurons in and 48 neurons out. Except for the last layer, I'll make it 48 by output dimensions. Okay, so we have successfully coded a basic neural network. The next steps would be to code some activation functions as well as a method for forward propagation. And so look out for the video in a couple of days. If you want to play around with this architecture, go ahead and do so. You can change the number of neurons in each layer. I have it at 48 just because it's what I find works best for our current goal, but feel free to play around with that. And you can go ahead and test to see how this neural network actually looks like and works. So you can access each of the layer objects and see all the weight values as well as all the bias values. All right, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.